Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to paste code in TradingView. If you're keen on analyzing financial markets or developing custom indicators and strategies, mastering this skill is essential. So, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to TradingView.com and open up a chart. This is your launching pad for any analysis, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Once your chart is up, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a tab labeled Pine Editor. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. The Pine Editor is TradingView's native programming space, allowing you to write and execute Pine script. Now, at the top right corner of the Pine Editor, you'll find a button labeled Open. Clicking this gives you the option to create either a new indicator or a new strategy. Choose what fits your needs. Remember, indicators help with visual analysis, while strategies can execute trades based on set conditions. Once you've made your choice, you'll see some default text in the editor window. Select all of it and hit delete. This clears the template, giving you a blank canvas to work on. Now, go ahead and paste your Pine script code into the editor. If pasting doesn't go smoothly, or you hit a technical snag, try opening the Pine editor in a new browser tab. Many users find that this solves most problems related to pasting code. After successfully pasting your code, hit the Save button. You'll be prompted to name your script. Choose something descriptive to easily identify it later. A well-named script can save you time, especially when juggling multiple scripts or strategies. Finally, let's see your script in action. Click on Add to Chart to apply it. This step allows you to immediately visualize your Pine script code results on your chart, giving you valuable insights or confirming that everything works as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to paste code in TradingView. With practice, this will become second nature, unlocking endless possibilities for your trading and analysis. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to paste code in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.